What do we got going on over here? Is that a body? Oh, shit. Yo, what are you doing? Get out of there! Welcome back, Stupid Fast Nation. How are you guys doing today? Beautiful day in PA today. And let me just say, it has been an incredibly eventful weekend for me. So, as you guys can see, the Banshee is no longer here. We had a little mishap last week, and that's kind of what this video is about. I kind of want to talk about the things that happened. I might do like a small reenactment, so that way you guys could see kind of what happened. But basically, I was here the other day, and it was probably late at night, probably like 10:30, 11 o'clock. My anti-theft device here in the garage let me know that somebody was near the garage. Now, normally, it wouldn't bother me that much, but because of how late it was, I knew that it wouldn't be like neighbors near the fence or anything like that because of how late it was. So, I took a drive up here, and thank God I did. So basically what happened is I drove up out here, and I'll show you in a second. So here's what happened. I'm in my truck, and I'm driving up to my garage, and it's very late. It's 10:30 at night. And you see that fence over there? Well, what happened is I pulled up, and I seen two lights going off in the yard. Now, normally it wouldn't bother me when I see two lights in the yard, because the neighbors have kids and stuff like that in the front yard, and that's not what I rent. I rent just the garage. So what I did was I pulled up just past the fence a little bit, just like this, and I could see and hear two kids in the back. I don't know how old they were, but I could see and hear them in the back. So I pull up, I put the truck in park, and I turn it off and I wait. And sure enough, I see some little kid creeping up to the front of the fence right there with a flashlight on his phone. So what do? I get out and I chase after him. I want to know why they were in the backyard, and I want to know what they were doing at the back door of my garage. So I started chasing them, and I could not catch them. They were very fast, and they hopped the fence stupid fast. But with all jokes aside, I couldn't catch them. They were over the fence before I even got through the gate of the fence. I did what my fight or flight instinct told me to do. I got in my truck and drove around the block to find them as quick as I could. I know I should have probably chased them on foot, but I thought it might be quicker in the truck, so I darted around the block. I seen them running. I went to chase after them, and then they were gone like that. I'm imagining they were hiding in somebody's yard, but they were way too fast for me to find them. So, and it was also partially my fault, okay? Because the Banshee videos lately have been getting extremely popular. So I feel like it was partially my fault. You know, I don't disclose in the videos where my location is, but if anybody asks me, I usually tell them about where I am. So it's not hard to find me with my stupid fast Mustang sitting right in front of the garage, directly in front of the garage. So it's not that hard to find me. So if they seen the Banshee videos, I don't even know if they were like some 16-year-old teenagers that seen the Banshee videos, and they were like, oh, I seen that car already. I know right where that place is. So that would make it really easy for them to break in. The problem is they picked somebody's garage to break into that has enough security devices to keep the general population out. So with that being said, no losers were going to come in here and steal any of my four-wheelers or any of my tools or anything like that, because they're not going to make it into the doors, any of the doors in this whole entire garage. I guarantee it. And if they do, they won't get far. So, with that being said, lesson learned. I learned a valuable lesson this week doing YouTube videos, and never again will I ever tell people about where I am even. Nobody's going to know. And it kind of makes me not want to display my it kind of makes me not want to display my logo that much. And as much as I love to, because I love when people see me out in the open and they're always asking me questions about the channel, telling me how great they love the content for for already subscribed people, it just makes me very weary. And some people want to take advantage of that. They want to take advantage of a nice guy, and they think they can anyways. So learn from me, learn this valuable lesson. Keep your business to yourself and don't make the same mistakes that I do. With that being said, I'm going to end this video. It sucks because I don't really do talking videos that much, but I can tell you as I'm about to record the Banshee video. I'm about to go pick it up. I want to inspect the head on it, and we got some work to do to that. So if you guys are interested in the channel and you enjoy the content, make sure you follow me on Instagram at StupidFastJohn. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you keep an eye out for that next video, guys. Thanks for watching.